Welcome back. In this video, we're going to show you how to take control of your weekly meals like a pro. You'll learn how to set up a customizable weekly meal plan as a PDF file, and then use powerful API calls to automatically generate unique meal plan files for yourself, your family, or even your clients. No more copy-pasting, no more manual edits. We'll walk you through the step-by-step process so you can create clean, professional documents with just a few clicks or a single request. Whether you're a fitness coach, a nutritionist, or just someone who loves staying organized, this tutorial will give you the tools to streamline your workflow and save time every single week. To begin, we'll start with a sample weekly meal plan, PDF, that we found online. Our goal is to upload this into PrefillPDF so we can make it dynamic and ready for API use. First, log into your PrefillPDF dashboard. On the Templates page, click Add New Template, give it a name, and upload your PDF file. Once uploaded, you'll see a small pen icon. You can either click on that to open the editor, or, as we're showing here in the video, you can also navigate to the editor directly from the sidebar menu. Inside the editor, select the freshly uploaded template. It will open right on your screen with the Tools and Properties panel available on the side. Now, we'll begin adding and mapping fields directly onto the PDF. This step allows us to define exactly where text or values will go when generating files through the API. Once all the fields are mapped, click Save Template. From this point on, your template is ready. You can reuse it anytime and generate unlimited meal plan PDFs with dynamic data through API calls. When we've completed mapping all the fields, the next step is to click on the Get API Code button. At this point, Dialog will prompt us to create an API key if we don't already have one. To do that, we navigate to the API Keys page. Click Create New Key, give it a name, and instantly a new API key is generated. This key will be used to securely connect with your templates. Now we go back to Templates. With our key ready, we can click on the blue API button. This retrieves all the fields we just set up inside our template and gives us the exact JSON structure we need for making requests. Here's a quick trick. We'll take this JSON and use ChatGPT to fill in the plan for us. But keep in mind, this same approach can be used to build an app that automatically asks users questions and then generates personalized meal plans through a messenger or a form on your website. This flexibility is what makes PrefillPDF so powerful, especially in today's era of no-code solutions. It's truly a game changer in the PDF world. Now that we've generated our meal plan with GPT, the next step is to test it. The easiest way is to copy our call URL and paste it into Postman. From there, we can send the request and instantly see the result. As you can see, the response is a completed PDF file with all the fields we provided. Remember, this is just the starting point. You can go further by building apps where users answer a simple form or even chat with an AI assistant. And behind the scenes, PrefillPDF will generate fully customized PDFs for them. The best part? Our tool integrates seamlessly with most no-code platforms and automation tools, giving you maximum flexibility to create solutions without writing complex code. That's it for this tutorial. Thanks for watching, and we can't wait to see the creative ways you'll use PrefillPDF in your own workflows.